Welcome back to Next Gen Auto Hub. The year 1960 marked a pivotal moment in American automotive culture, a time when the nation's highways stretched wider, families ventured farther, and carmakers raced to define the next era of design. In the midst of this changing landscape emerged the 1960 Dodge Polara, a bold, expressive, and unmistakably futuristic vehicle that stood as Dodge's flagship model during a turning point in Detroit's stylistic evolution. This documentary explores that single model year, its creation, its context, and the legacy it left behind. The Polara name first appeared for 1960, introduced as Dodge's top-tier offering, replacing the Custom Royal as the brand's premier full-size car. Chrysler Corporation, Dodge's parent company, was in the midst of what many historians call its forward-look era, a design philosophy introduced by celebrated stylist Virgil Exner, who believed American cars should look like they were sculpted by the wind and ready for the future. By 1960, Exner's aesthetic had reached its dramatic apex. The Dodge Polara was among the most flamboyant expressions of his vision, a vehicle that blended sweeping fins, sculpted metal, and imaginative ornamentation in ways unmatched even in the flamboyant late 1950s. The 1960 Polara rode on Chrysler's unibody platform, an engineering decision that signaled the company's commitment to lightweight construction and improved structural rigidity. This was an era when most full-size American cars were still built body-on-frame, making the Polara's approach relatively advanced. The transition allowed Dodge to reduce weight and improve handling, creating a car that was surprisingly agile for its size. The aerodynamic focus also extended to its tapered profile, giving the Polara a distinctive stance, long, low, and unmistakably sleek. Perhaps the most remarkable aspect of the 1960 Polara was its use of dramatic tailfins, curved upward and outward, capped by jet pod taillights that resembled futuristic propulsion units. While tailfins were already a signature of many American cars by the late 1950s, Dodge's interpretation for the Polara was more sculptural and organic, blending form with the illusion of motion. The front end, meanwhile, featured a floating grille design, an almost architectural treatment that set it apart from contemporaries. The car's visual language was confident and exuberant, unified by chrome accents that highlighted its dramatic curves. Inside, the Polara continued the futuristic theme. The dashboard carried a symmetrical, jet-age appearance, complete with a deep-dish steering wheel, push-button automatic transmission controls, and instrument pods styled like cockpit gauges. Seating was generous, fabrics were expressive, and Dodge offered buyers a variety of trim levels, each with its own patterns and color combinations. The interior was built around comfort and style, but also around a growing fascination with modern technology, a hallmark of the era. Under the hood, the 1960 Polara delivered the power expected of a flagship model. Standard offerings included Chrysler's robust Ram induction V8 engines, part of the legendary Wedgehead family. These engines were known for reliability, torque, and an unmistakably muscular personality. Some versions employed long Ram intake manifolds designed to boost low-end power, an innovation that improved drivability and contributed to the car's strong performance reputation. The Polara wasn't just about looks, it backed up its visual swagger with genuine capability. The 1960 model year proved eventful for Dodge, as the Polara debuted in the midst of a shifting automotive environment. Public tastes were beginning to evolve. While many Americans still admired extravagant styling, the fin era was nearing its twilight. Compact cars were gaining attention, and consumer preferences were trending toward restraint. As a result, the 1960 Polara now stands as one of the last and most expressive examples of Detroit's fascination with forward-looking excess. By the mid-1960s, Dodge would adopt more conservative, squared-off shapes, making the 1960 model a symbolic farewell to a distinct age in design history. Despite being produced for only a single model year in this original form, the 1960 Polara has become highly collectible, especially among enthusiasts of 1950s and early 1960s Mopar vehicles. Its rarity, combined with its dramatic presence, ensures that surviving examples draw attention at car shows and auctions. Restorers appreciate its engineering, while historians admire it as a snapshot of Chrysler's daring experimentation. Today, the 1960 Dodge Polara is remembered not just as an automobile, but as an artifact of cultural expression, a time capsule from an era when American carmakers weren't afraid to dream boldly. Its sweeping fins, advanced engineering, and imaginative design remind us of a moment when the future felt limitless, and the open road was a symbol of possibility. Thanks for watching Next Gen Auto Hub, and as always, stay curious, stay inspired, and keep driving toward the future.